Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Carson and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
6:48 on this Wednesday morning, and we're getting a nice break in the rain for now. Trust me, it will not last much longer. Right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, you see the bulk of the thunderstorms this morning are to our south. Still significant flash flooding going on in Birmingham. I'll show you those storms in just a second. I do want to draw your attention to a couple of very small downpours in Colbert County right now. We're going to be watching northwest Alabama during the morning commute to see if any of those scattered storms try to redevelop in our western communities. Of course, we'll keep a close eye on that, and we'll have constant updates for you throughout Good Morning America. Seeing a couple of those downpours, in fact, developing in Winston County, just went through Hamilton and Marion County. This is staying off to our south and east, but you get the idea that this is what we'll likely be watching for in our western counties here in North Alabama over the next few hours. There is the mess that is happening down in central Alabama and in Birmingham this morning. You can see all those flash flood warnings, including Coleman County until 8 o'clock today. If you're heading towards Coleman or Birmingham, down towards Clanton, just plan on some extra time heading down I-65. There's significant flash flooding. A lot of roads in Birmingham are closed right now. But here in North Alabama, it is all quiet. Still warm, though. Temperatures right around 70 with a mix of sun and clouds on the Way 31 Skycam network. Those storm chances are on the increase yet again later on this afternoon. Really a carbon copy of the last few days. The one difference, though, today is we have more wind energy to work with, which means our severe weather potential is just a little bit higher. For the Trash Pandas game tonight, it's going to be a close call once again. I certainly think delays are possible. Scheduled first pitch, 6:35, temperatures hovering near 80 degrees, and then we'll be down to the mid-70s by the 7th inning, with maybe a few of those storms lingering by the 7th inning. But as we go through the evening, we'll lose that fuel in the atmosphere, and those storms should start to weaken just a bit. Here we go with future radar, 8 a.m. Again, western Alabama, northwestern Alabama might have a few of those storms developing over the next hour or so. Then we'll get a little bit of a lull around midday and for the first couple of hours this afternoon. But watch what happens past 2 p.m. We'll get that peak daytime heating, I should say, and we start to see those stronger storms developing in the shoals, progressing eastward. Now, fortunately, we're not expecting a big cluster of storms like we were talking about yesterday morning. Just some of these smaller clusters, that is, that could still cause damaging wind gusts around 60 miles per hour, very heavy rain, and perhaps a quick tornado or two. Fortunately, late this evening, we'll start to dry things out, and your Thursday is looking very nice. A nice reprieve in the rain tomorrow, but it only lasts one day. Got another round of stronger storms on the table for Friday, and then we'll finally enter a stretch of much quieter weather. Until then, over the next 3 days, on top of all the rain we've seen so far, we'll likely see another 1 to 2 inches of rain, again, just through the next 3 days. So keep an eye on the skies this afternoon. Of course, we'll keep you updated here on air and online. 7-day forecast shows the heat building back in a big way next week. We stay dry, but those highs will be back in the low to mid 90s.
All right.